MOOC, 3-Minute French. I chose the MOOC 3-Minute French for this assignment, created by Curran Ball, a language tutor, who provides language learning in 3 different formats: reading, watching, listening. I can see the French text, I can hear him read it, he gives me an opportunity to read it myself. I found it when I went to the website, a complete list of MOOCs. Search for French. It was the first result. Who doesn't have 3 minutes? Why did I choose it? I've been teaching Spanish for over 10 years to 3rd graders. I wanted to see it from the perspective of the student. And also, I wanted to sort of review. I had taken 3 years of high school French 30 years ago. I wanted to see how much I could remember. So he presents 6 words phrases in real life situations: ordering items at a restaurant, renting a car, and then he builds sentences using these chunks of language. They get more complex as the lessons progress, but he always spirals back to the vocabulary that he introduced in previous lessons. He provides you a link to the Happy Linguist. Tons of resources there. Notes and tips on how to learn language, vocabulary expansion sheets, and even blogs he has written. My experience, the level of success was embedded. Short clips, 3 minutes. I was motivated and engaged. Lots of verbal practice as opposed to Duolingo. Translating from French to English and reverse translating, I was surprised. I was able to retrieve a lot of prior knowledge: calendar words, number words, common sayings. So I focused on pronunciation. How does he make these French sayings? Semantics, looking at the whole sentence and getting meaning out of it. Syntax, for example, articles and nouns and how they contract. I visualized, saw myself in these real life experiences so I could retain more. This is a network course. There are discussion boards. People have written questions about French and he's answered them, so you learn even more that way. Transcripts of his lessons are provided. He shows you how to watch Disney movies in French, and for the advanced learners, you can engage in digital crossword puzzles. Web-based learning is a great tool for ICT literacy. Once you know what you're looking for, you can search it. It's easily accessible. These MOOCs have course descriptions. It gives you the purpose of the MOOC. There's partnerships between college and university professors. They provide the MOOCs themselves. They're reliable authors. Like I said, Curran is a language tutor of not just French, German, Portuguese, Spanish. 3-Minute French was created around motivation. It's accurate. It's a key component of learning, period. The links he provided were reliable. The website is continuously updated. 2 things I want to say about MOOCs and the benefits. It's great for professional development, especially technology education that's ever evolving. You can track your course completion and go at your own pace because it's asynchronous. I will continue using MOOCs as long as I am a lifelong learner.